Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to replace the charging pin for any Android mobile phone. Very easy and simple method. I will show you step by step. First of all, I will remove this old charging port. I need a paste. Now I'm putting the paste and I need a heat gun. With the heat gun going to be so please friend, if you like this video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. You will get new notification about my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. In this video you will learn about how to fix the charging block, charging pin, charging port, any Android mobile phone with easy method. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon button. You will get new notification about my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.